Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take oxygen at home. First, always understand your doctor's specific instructions regarding your oxygen flow rate and how long you should use it each day. Next, familiarize yourself with your oxygen delivery device, whether it's a concentrator or a tank, and learn its safe operation. Finally, ensure your home has good ventilation and that you follow all fire safety guidelines to prevent accidents. There are typically three main types of home oxygen systems. Oxygen concentrators are popular, drawing in room air, filtering it, and delivering continuous oxygen. Portable oxygen tanks, often made of aluminum, provide a mobile solution for shorter periods away from home. Lastly, liquid oxygen systems store a large amount of oxygen in a very cold liquid form, offering an extended supply for those with higher needs. Each system has unique benefits. Safety and proper maintenance are crucial for home oxygen therapy. Always clean your equipment regularly, following the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure it functions correctly. Store oxygen tanks upright in a secure, well-ventilated space, keeping them at least 5 feet away from heat sources or open flames. Additionally, use a pulse oximeter to monitor your oxygen saturation levels, ensuring you are receiving adequate oxygen. Living with home oxygen therapy can be manageable with good planning. If you plan to travel, always discuss your needs with your doctor well in advance to arrange for oxygen at your destination. Remember to stay well hydrated and maintain a balanced, nutritious diet to support your overall health and energy levels. Finally, consider joining a support group. Connecting with others facing similar challenges can provide valuable advice and encouragement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.